In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize blocks in Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. If you're building a page in Squarespace 7.1, the Fluid Engine editor gives you a flexible grid where every piece of content, images, text, buttons, forms, and more lives inside a block. Resizing these blocks lets you fine-tune your layout, improve readability, and create balanced spacing without custom code. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, then share a few practical tips so your changes look clean and intentional. First, sign into your Squarespace account so you land on your site dashboard. From there, open your site by clicking Website. This takes you to the main site management area where you control pages, design, and content. Next, head into Pages. You'll see your navigation and any unlinked pages. Choose the page you want to edit. This is where you'll make the block resize changes. Once your page opens, enter editing mode by clicking Edit. You're now in the Fluid Engine canvas. You'll notice a subtle grid behind your content. That grid is what blocks snap to as you resize them, helping maintain alignment and spacing. Pick the block you want to adjust. Maybe it's a text block that feels cramped or an image you want to make larger for emphasis, and click it to select. Selected blocks typically show an outline so you know you're working on the right element. To prepare for resizing, move your cursor slowly toward a corner or an edge of the selected block. When you're in the right spot, the cursor will change into a double-headed arrow. Corners are best for changing both width and height together, while edges let you resize in just one direction. Take a moment to find the exact handle you need so your change is precise. Now click and drag to resize the block's width and/or height. As you drag, you'll feel the block snap to the underlying grid cells. That snap helps keep things aligned with neighboring content. Watch how the surrounding layout responds. Text will reflow as lines get longer or shorter, and images may crop or reveal more area depending on the block's design settings. Aim for consistent column widths and even margins so your section feels balanced. If you need a subtle change, drag slowly. Small adjustments often make the biggest difference in readability. If a block seems reluctant to resize, try grabbing a different edge or corner and make sure you've actually selected the block itself, not the section background. That's it. By selecting your block, hovering until you see the double-headed arrow, and dragging with intention, you can quickly dial in a polished professional layout in Squarespace's Fluid Engine.